Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install Metamask browser extension so you can interact with sites like this, which is my tree donation site, which is a NFT smart contract based website. So let's go. Let's get started. Oh, first thing is you'll need to get a pen and paper so you can write down your 12-word seed phrase that you're going to be getting in just a few minutes. All right, let's get started. First step is we're going to open up another tab in my browser. We're going to go to metamask.io. All right, and now we're going to click enter. And this user has a Metamask wallet, so we're going to go and switch users. Let's see if we can get into this one. Got it. All right. So now we're going to go try it again. Metamask.io. And there we go. So I'm going to just make a dummy account for now so you can see what the seed phrase would look like. But I'm not going to keep this, so I'm not going to put any real money on here. And if you're going to put any real money on yours, do not ever share your seed phrase with anyone ever, because they don't need it, not to help you recover anything, not for anything, okay? So that's just for safety. All right, let's get MetaMask. Now we're going to add the Chrome extension, the MetaMask Chrome extension. And we're going to say add it, yes. Don't worry when you see that warning that says it can read all your information. All it's meaning is it can read just what you approve it to read, which is basically your download whenever you're going to be interacting with the site. You're just going to approve that. And if you do any interactions where you're sending funds, then that actually is changing data because it's changing the blockchain information. Well, changing the state of the blockchain by increasing either an NFT supply. It'll be increasing the token ID, so incrementing that, or it could be trading one asset for another. So that will be changing the state as well of the blockchain and of your wallet, and all that stuff gets recorded onto the blockchain. So it is, in a sense, accessing all that information, but it's not going into getting your private keys. It's not going to be stealing your passwords or getting into anything on your computer. So now we're going to agree to the terms of MetaMask, and we're going to create a new wallet. And yes, you should probably read the terms of use. It's a standard like they have for most apps that you go onto these days. So now I don't think I want to help improve MetaMask's ability to do gather all these information and metrics right now. But if you feel like doing that, you can say agree. For me, I'm going to say no thanks. And now I'm going to make up a password just for this episode here, and I'm not going to be using it ever again. So this is, I'm going to say password for MetaMask. All right, try that again. Password for MetaMask. All right, understand that they cannot recover it yet. They can't help you get a recovery because this is your own private DeFi wallet. Okay, create new wallet. Now, instead of going remind me later, we're going to do secure my wallet. So this is when your paper and your pen is going to come in handy. So we're going to secure my wallet. Now, it's going to ask you to write down these 12 seed words. It's called a secret recovery phrase, and you save it in place. No one else can access it but you. And they often suggest writing it down in multiple places, even stored in a safety deposit box. If you're using, this for real money, that would be important. So here we're going to reveal the secret recovery phrase. And here you see that they're each numbered, and that's important because they're going to have to be entered in that exact order if you ever have to use it. So right now let's write it down. Horn, finger, step, loud, benefit, slogan, radio, link, help, fence, eagle, and foam. All right, so now they're going to ask us to place it, enter in some of the entries again. So just to confirm that we properly stored our recovery phrase. So here for number 3, it looks like we're going to do 3, 4, and 8. So number 3 was step. 4 was loud. Loud. Okay, that's loud. Not really. And 8 is link. All right, and since I got them right, it turned to a more of a bright blue. So now we're going to click confirm. And now, congratulations, you have a Metamask wallet. So I'm going to finish this so it's completed. And we're going to, from here, I'm going to show you how to switch in your Metamask wallet the network you're on, because we're going to be using the testnet for interacting with my smart contract and my dApp with my smart contract, because I deployed it to Sepolia testnet. So here we're going to switch. Right here it says enabled networks. We're going to scroll down to where it shows test network, and we're going to toggle that. And now we're going to click Sepolia, and voila, we have switched to the Sepolia testnet. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to get test Ethereum, Sepolia test Ethereum from a faucet. And also, I'm going to show you how to start interacting with my website and mint your first NFT. I will see you there.